Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add checkout button in simple product in WooCommerce WordPress using custom code. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in simple product page. Now you see add to cart button and we are going to add checkout button using custom code. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code, insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet. Then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title A, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now in code you see checkout page link and then you see add to cart. So we are going to add button in simple product pages, and then you see checkout text, so you can add text according to your requirement. And then you see CSS class. So we are going to add some styling by using this class. Now scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved, and we are going to add CSS for checkout button. Now go to customize section and we are in additional CSS. Now paste CSS. Now you see class redirect to checkout, and you will find this CSS in video description or in comment section. Now click on publish. Now publish done. Go to simple product page. Now refresh the page. Now you see add to cart button and then you see checkout button. Now go to additional CSS, so you can customize design according to your requirement. Now we are going to add font size 16px, and then you see color white, background color black, padding, border radius, margin left, and then you see hover color white, background color, and then click on publish. Now publish done. Go to simple product page again and refresh the page. Now you see checkout button and then you see quantity. Now increase. Now you see 4, and then you see product fabric mask, and then click on checkout button. Now you see 4 into fabric mask has been added to your cart. So we are in checkout page directly, and then you see shipping address, review and payment, so click on review and payment. Now you see total product fabric mask into 4, so you can add custom code and then checkout button display on simple product pages. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.